welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you one easy science experiment part 8. If you're new to my channel, still don't subscribe my channel, click on the red subscribe button and small little bell icon so that you can notify when I upload my video. First experiment is going to be picking up ice on a string. To make this experiment you need thread, some salt and some bowl of water and some ice. First, you should take your ice and keep on bowl of water. Next, you should take your thread or string, keep on the ice. See friends, I will show you. You can see now. Now, you should spread pepper on this. I'll take 2 drops. You should wait for some time. See friends, I pick up. See friends, I picked up this thing.
This is all my video. If you like this video, like the video, comment the video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.